Welcome to Jean Home Decor and more. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. So today is the day before Thanksgiving and I am making some candied sweets, or I call them candied yams. My mom says candied sweets. So I have 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Okay, and then along with the 3/4 a cup of brown sugar, I'm going to add a teaspoon of grated lemon rind, 2 tablespoons of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 4 tablespoons of butter. And usually I use a cup of orange juice, but guess what, guys? I saw on TikTok, and you guys probably have seen it as well, someone used peach juice. So that's what I'm going to be using. Hold on. So as you can see, I have the 100% juice sliced peaches from Del Monte. And so that's what I'm going to do there. So, you know, what I've done, like I said, is I've started the yams. And so to the sugar, I'm going to add the lemon, flour, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg. And then I am going to sprinkle all of that on top of this, the candy sweets. They'll cook right on through. I'm going to dot with a little bit of butter. And I'm going to cook this in the oven for on 350 for 45 minutes. So I'm going to put all those things together and then I'll let you have a look at it after I put all of the spices and sugar on it. Okay, keep watching. Oh, one more thing, guys. I add cardamom to my spices. It doesn't call for it in the recipe, but I always use this on my yams. Okay, keep watching. Okay, guys, I have all my spices all stirred up. You know, I have them all stirred up, yep. And so what I have here is I'm going to add, believe it or not, I'm going to add a cup of these sliced peaches. I cut them up real small. So this time I thought I would try something new, guys. They said, don't try something new for Thanksgiving, but I'm trying something new. I think the peaches will pair very nicely with the sweet potatoes. So I'm going to pour the seasonings on top, and then I'm going to pour the peaches on top and the peach juice, and then I'll let you take a look. Keep watching. Okay, so that's what that looks like. So let me just come on in here with this. Okay, and I'm going to, I might add a little bit more brown sugar to this, so keep watching. Hold on. Okay, everyone, so I have my spices on. I have my peach juice, and I added some peaches to the top, my 4 tablespoons of butter. So I'm going to pop this in the oven on 350 for 45 minutes. I'll take it out and I'll let you see the reveal. Hang tight. Okay, guys, here's the reveal. This looks so yummy, and it smelled so delicious when it was baking in the oven. So I'm looking forward to this. This is my first time trying this recipe. Usually when I make candy sweets, I add a cup of orange juice. This time I decided to use peach juice and some grated peaches. So anyway, bon appetit. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. On to the next thing, on to making mac and cheese.